Hello, I'm Griggs. Today I'd like to take some time to talk about one of our gas operation roles, the construction and maintenance technician. The communities we serve rely on us to maintain and operate our natural gas delivery systems safely and efficiently. And our goal is to provide the best service possible to our customers. What I like most about working for CenterPoint Energy is that we're a close-knit group. We always work as a team, and we look out for each other and focus on the safety of ourselves, the community, and our natural gas delivery system. Our team members have different levels of experience, which help us continually learn the best practices in the industry. If you do not have a commercial driver's license, welding certification, or experience in natural gas line locating, don't worry. CenterPoint Energy offers the training we may need to provide the best service to our customers. In fact, one of the great things about working for CenterPoint Energy is the opportunity to gain new skills and build a career that is meaningful and rewarding. CenterPoint Energy values its employees and their contributions. Many of us have built a career here and have enjoyed the stability of the company's rich history in providing safe, reliable natural gas services to the communities we serve. We also enjoy great benefits like competitive pay, 401k savings, and career growth and opportunities. Our tools, uniforms, and training are all provided by the company. If you're interested in joining a team that works hard and makes a difference in the communities we serve by providing safe, reliable natural gas service, then come explore a career with us. We would love to have you join our team.
CenterPoint Energy, always there.